Oh, you don't know how to make smothered chicken? We can make that. It's going to be the simplest, easiest, delicious recipe you're going to find on the internet. To some clean chicken. Yes, clean. Clean them, cut them. Hit it with some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some onion. Hit it with a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of that sazon, and yeah, hit it with your grass of olive oil or whatever olive oil you got. Then you want to mix that thing in real good. Make sure you hit all the creases and crevices, get under the skin. Yeah, get all of that. We need all of that right there. All that flavor. Ooh-wee. All right, now we're going to cut our onions. I just got me one large onion. You can get two small ones or how much ever onions you want in your gravy. You know what I'm saying? I like a lot of onions in my gravy. You feel me? So, yeah, on a hot pan, we going to sear that chicken. Ooh-wee, till it's nice and brown like me. Yes, sexy like you. You see that right there? That's how you want it. Perfect. Now, just make sure they stay juicy. Then we're going to transfer them things. Get your crock pot, slow cooker, Instapot, whatever you got. Hit it with some flour, some beefy onion Lipton beef mix. Ooh, wait. Hit it with some water. Then we're going to mix that thing in just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit, baby. Yeah. Then we're going to lay our chicken in there that we seasoned and it's done marinating. Yeah. So we're going to lay them things down in there right there like that. Oh, yeah, y'all see it. Yep. Juicy. I can see them things falling off the bone now. Like, my vision is clear with these. Ooh-wee. So, yeah, once you lay all your chicken in there, it's all right if you got to pile them on top of each other. It's all good, right? Hit it with that extra gravy, sauce, and flavor. Now to that same pot that we said the chicken in. Yeah, onions in the same pot. No flavor left behind, you heard? Yeah. So we're going to put our peppers in there, chopped up bell peppers, our onions, mix everything in, scrape all that flavor off. Scrape it off. You can do it little by little. You're going to get more off when you put that broth on. Hit it with some olive oil. Keep scraping, baby. Yeah. Now, look. At this point, it should be on low. Chicken in the crock pot or Instapot, whatever you got. And you need to be checking on your sides if you're making some. Now, we're going to hit it with a little bit of cream of chicken. And look, mix that thing in right there like that right there. All you need is a little bit of chicken broth. Ooh-wee. That's it. That's going to set the party off. Y'all feel the flavors? I feel the flavors. Now, see how that thing's smoky? Yeah. Just going to transfer all that we made right into the Instapot, crock pot, whatever you got, baby. And then just going to cover that thing. Ooh-wee. And then we're going to open it after an hour or two. And look, that thing already falling off the bone tender. It's done. Now you know how to make smothered chicken. And wasn't that easy, y'all? Wasn't that easy? Y'all see this right here? Ooh-wee. Now you plate the plate however you want to plate it. But look, that thing smothered. Yeah, and the sauce is going to get thicker eventually on its own. Right now, it's still cooking, so it's all right if it's not that thick as of now. But don't worry, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes till it get thick like you. See that right there? Ooh-wee. Got that rice, that broccolini, baby. Yeah. Now, you plate your plate how you want to plate it, you feel me? What y'all think I'm missing from this plate? What would y'all add to this plate, and what would y'all take off the plate? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments. Now you know how to make smothered chicken. Click one of the videos on the screen for more fire recipes. I'm out.